can't breathe. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ash Judo.
And this is Adam the Card Collector.
And we're here for another edition of Unboxing. What's in it? And today we have the legendary Pokemon Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection. And this is gonna feature the legendary Pokemon Thundurus, Landorus, and Tornadus. I'm excited for this one, and let's get this bad boy opening. There you go. Here you have the pins, you have the coin, you have the GX card, so we'll go over that. This has Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. It also has Forbidden Light, One Evolution, Sun and Moon Base. This is just amazing, guys. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and let's see what's inside. This is our first time opening one of these, and see if we can get some good cards from it. The promo cards already are amazing. I mean, and I'll show you what they are here in just a second if you didn't see them in the preview. All right. So as discussed, it does come with this coin here. Not sure if you can see. Oh, a little slippery there. Not sure if you can see that. You got your coin. You got your pin. And then you got a couple of GX cards here. So you got your Tornadus GX. There you go. Nice card. You have a Thundurus GX as well. What do you think about that?
I think it's very cool.
Yeah, you like that one? Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
And then, before I show you all the cards here, go ahead and give you the online code. Make sure y'all can see that for those of y'all that like to play that. You all, look at that, guys. You have the Tornadus, the Thundurus, and Landorus legendary Pokemon mega card here, and it is a pretty big card. It's almost as wide as my play mat. So it says here, be legendary. Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus embark on a year of legendary adventures. It's nice. Pretty cool. Exciting. So I'll put that to the side. Alrighty. So the cards that come in it are Forbidden Light, Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon Base, XY Evolutions, Forbidden Light, and a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack these bad boys open, and then we'll tell you at the end of the video if we think it was worth it or not worth it.
Yep.
So,
who do you think would win? Dark Lugia or Thundurus? And what was the other one called? Landorus and what was the other one called? Tornadus.
I'm not sure. You'll have to leave that for the comments, guys. But we're going to break this open, and let's go ahead and focus on this box here. That'll be another conversation for another time, don't you think? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I think Shadow Lugia takes it all. So here we go. You got your energy card. You got your Altar of the Sun, Altar of the Moon, Gliscor, Castform, Gothica, Petrot, Carvana, Cottony,
Ooh, Ooh, Solgaleo Reverse Hollow.
Solgaleo Reverse Hollow. And a Vanillux. Vanilla sounds good right now. And then now for the Forbidden Lights.
Man, I remember when I first opened the tin of this Forbidden Lights before, when it first came out. I love this set.
So far, back-to-back green cards.
We might not get a hit.
The last box that we opened up was the Orbeeto V box. Definitely do not recommend that box, guys, unless you just want that promo card. So hopefully we have better luck this time. You got a Judge Trainer, you got a Araquanid, you got a Metal Frying Pan. Ooh, don't let your wife get mad. She might have to use that on you.
Oh no.
You got a Skrelp, you got a Snover, you got a Scatterbug, Cubone, let Leo. Ooh, nice reverse hollow Gibble, and a Dragald.
Time for the XY evolution.
Here we go, XY Evolutions, guys.
And it is 3 to the front, not 4.
So 3 to the front.
Ooh, white and green, white and green.
White and green, so we'll see.
Imagine we get the Mega
So
Charizard.
you even got the old text, huh?
Imagine we get the Mega Charizard.
Mega Charizard, huh? Here's your trainer card. You got your Magmar, Trainer, Venusaur Spirit Link, Charmander, Energy card, Pikachu, Growlithe, Machop. Oh, nice!
Nidoking!
Nidoking Reverse Hollow. Oh!
Oh my god! He's in the Charizard! He's in the Charizard! Oh!
Here we go.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! I can't breathe. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh my faint! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! If you see my face is red. Woo. Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness! Oh my! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did we just pull this? Did we just pull this?
And I caught it too!
Oh,
I caught it! I caught it!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't even hold this straight. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I called the card! I called the card to existence! Oh
Sorry
my
guys.
gosh.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked. By far the best box I have ever opened. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys. We just... Whoa, we just got the Charizard EX.
Mega EX.
Mega Charizard EX.
Oh my god.
Wow. Guys, I mean, I don't even know if this video can get any better than this. I mean, we got 3 other packs. Dude.
Oh my gosh, I got the like 3rd pack. We got some.
Oh guys, I cannot believe this. Hold on, let's look at the centering on this thing.
You can't really see the centering.
No, you can see it here.
Yeah, but on that one, on the other side, you can't really.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm trying to look at it while y'all are looking at it. The centering's pretty good on this. It's actually really good on this. Yeah, we're gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna off video, I'm gonna check the centering. It looks like this could be a PSA 9, if not PSA 10. Yeah. So, wow, this is crazy. This was gonna be a short video just to show you what the box was. Look, we're not even done with this video, and oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Can you grab that?
Yeah.
We're not even done with this video, and 100% legendary Pokemon Forces of Nature GX, 100% worth it. Normally we tell you before the video's up if it's worth it. I mean, after, you know, at the very end. But guys, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Wow, I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. We're gonna continue. We're shocked, but we're gonna continue, guys. We are going to continue. I'll be honest with you. I was a little nervous about opening this on video. I got this from a seller that I have never bought from. I took a chance, and the last time I took a chance on something was the Orbeetle V-Box, and that didn't turn out well. I'm pretty sure that was a resealed package. But this one, we took another chance and we hit a home run, guys. We hit a grand slam. Amazing. I mean, amazing. Nice, Houndoom. Wow. Wow. I'm in disbelief right now. I'm in disbelief. We were just talking about that we have not pulled a Charizard of any kind on video.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, we probably have, but not on video. But like whenever, like, Charizards weren't really like popular and stuff.
Well, no, and I'm just saying on since we've been videotaping, we haven't pulled a Charizard. We were just talking about that before making this video.
Oh yeah.
Wow, this is insane. These are real reactions, guys. This isn't an edited reaction. This is real. We're shocked, and we are 100% happy. And you know, wow.
No.
I mean, if we get another hit on this, we're lucky. If we don't get another hit, I'm okay. I'm definitely okay. Oh, nice! Dragonite Hollow. Wow. I'm gonna sleeve this bad boy too. This is a nice card, guys. I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. That's a nice card. I'm putting that to the side for the recap. We got one more. It's Forbidden Light. I did see some markings on some of these packs, and I was a little concerned. Didn't look like it was resealed, but it did look like it, you know, maybe the box had scratched the original packing of one of the packs, and I started to get a little worried. But that Charizard right there just gave me confirmation that this was a 100% legit box. Wow.
I just can't believe that we actually pulled the Charizard. And it's like the #1 chase card in the whole set.
I know. It's
the #1.
Well, that one and base in the base set, the other Charizard. Hold on.
Yeah. And then there's the Mega Black shiny Charizard, I think. Is it shiny?
I don't think on Evolutions. Here's your Esper Reverse Hollow, and for the final card, a Heatron. But you guys, you know what? Wow. Worth it. Worth it. I'm still shocked. This is real emotion here. For the recap, here we go. We have a Dragonite Hollow, and for the main event card, again, guys, Mega Charizard EX, and there you have it, guys. 100% recommend purchasing of this box. Make sure it's from a reliable source. We took a chance. We did pay market value, but we did take a chance on who we were buying it from. Wasn't a big company, and I'm glad that we took that chance. I normally don't take chances like that. But wow, guys, thank you very much. I'm extremely excited. I'm Ash Judo. This is
Adam the Card Collector.
and we're extremely happy, and thank you for tuning in, and thank you for being there watching us get this Charizard. You guys have a great night. Thank you very much, because we're gonna have a great night.